look, not many people know that these 2018 Lincoln Shield cent coins can be worth a lot of money. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why and what you need to be looking out for on these coins that could potentially be worth tons of money. So one important thing to know is that these coins come in rolls. Now, if you come across a roll of coins that is in a plastic tube, that means the coins have already been searched through. So if you're coin roll hunting for some high grade examples, you want to look at brand new rolls. When it comes to the value of a coin like this, it's really going to come down to the condition. Now, this coin right here is a reverse proof. So proof coins are meant to go into collectors' hands. They're never really meant to go out into circulation, but you can see the foreground of the coin is actually mirrored when typically the field or the backdrop of the coin is going to have that mirror look to it on a proof coin. That's why this is a reverse proof coin. It graded by the grading company PCGS at a perfect grade of 70, and it sold for $94. Same thing here, guys. Not going to spend too much time. This company, NGC, is also a great company to get your coins graded by. They also have a special label with a signature here with the designer of the Union Shield, which is a cool feature. Again, the 70 grade, and this one sold for $99. Now, really quickly, I need to say this. If you see any comments down below ever on any of my videos telling you to talk to me on WhatsApp or that I'm trying to sell you something or buy something from you, please be very skeptical, because that is not me. There are a bunch of scammers and bots that are on YouTube, and I'm always trying my best to report and delete those comments. So please just be aware. I wanted to tell you that really quickly, but this coin right here is a normal proof coin roll. So someone got a roll of these coins, which is 50 pieces, and they're selling all 50 pieces for $150. They've already sold 9 of them. They have a $5 shipping fee. They're pretty much getting these coins and selling them for $3 each, but in a bulk roll. So they're making some good money here, guys. $150 for these 50 pieces. Now, this coin sold for $231. It was shipped from Bulgaria, which is a bit skeptical for me. Curious as to why this person had this all the way in Bulgaria, but this coin is clearly a mint error. Now, they're calling it a doubled die, which this is not. This is more of a numerous strike error that occurred. Now, to me, some red flags. I mean, there's 54 bids, which is a lot. The seller has 98.9% positive feedback, which is okay, but I would prefer there to be 100% positive feedback. If you're considering buying one of these coins, be very skeptical, but if you have a rare coin like this, and it is indeed genuine, you definitely want to get it graded and authenticated before you try to sell it. Now, if you want to sell the coin locally, you're going to have to see at least 3 coin shops, in my opinion. That way you know you're getting the true value of the coin. Now, understand, if you sell to a coin shop, they are a small business and they also have operating costs, so they need to make a small profit off of you. The way you can make the most money is if you're able to sell directly to a collector. If you do want to know more about rare coins, how to handle them, their values, I have a completely free ebook down below, but you don't have to do that. Just keep doing your own homework and research. Let's go into the next coin. So this coin right here, he sold one of them. He has 2 more available, and he sold them for $339.99. Essentially, this is a 2018 D. That means this has a D mint mark standing for the Denver Mint, where this coin is produced. It also was graded by NGC at a mint state 68 red. Now, really quickly, these coins can either be red, brown, or brown. Now, these 2018 coins are not really going to be ever designated as brown, at least not anytime soon. But essentially what you need to know is that the closer to the mint state appeal and look they are, which most of the time is red, the more valuable the coin is going to be worth. People want to have red coins for the most part, but there are plenty of coins that grade red, brown, or brown that sell for way more money than this. But again, this is a lot of money for one coin from 2018 that sold for $339.99. If you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen. I'll see you in the next one.